अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। I hope so that I am happy and well. So in today's video, so friends, Christmas is the season of joy, love and light. Decoration your home make the holiday feel even more special. Here are some simple and beautiful Christmas decoration ideas that you can try. Friends, start with your living room. Place a Christmas tree in the center of a window. You can decorate it with lights, shining balls, ribbons, and a star on the top. Add small handmade ornaments for a personal touch. Friends, and hang a beautiful Christmas wreath on your front door. It will give a warm welcome to everyone. You can make one with things, leaves, berries, and a big red. Lights around windows, mirror, and shelves to make the wardrobe glow. Candles are also perfect for cutting